Welcome to the world of DataStage Administration. Think of it as the backstage crew of a grand data theater. Without it, the show wouldn't run smoothly. As admins, we oversee ETL processes, keep resources in check, and make sure everything works like a charm. Buckle up, this journey is all about keeping data flowing without the drama. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. IBM DataStage sounds fancy, right? It's the powerhouse behind efficient data integration, handling multiple sources like a pro. Whether you love GUI or prefer scripting, DataStage has your back. And guess what? It's all about parallel processing, so instead of waiting forever, your data gets processed in a snap. All right, let's break down the architecture. Think of it as a well-organized office. Clients design, servers execute, and repositories keep everything tidy. If one part slacks off, things go haywire. So, understanding these components means keeping the DataStage office running like a well-oiled machine. Installing DataStage isn't just clicking next a few times. It's about setting up databases, configuring services, and making sure everything runs smoothly. And let's not forget licensing, because nothing screams frustration like software refusing to work because you skipped activation. Logging and monitoring in DataStage are like CCTV cameras for your data pipelines. They help you track every move. Good logs help detect issues early, saving you time and effort. In this section, we'll cover the vital components of DataStage logs, best practices to keep things running smoothly, and how troubleshooting with logs can be your best friend. Because let's face it, finding an error after deployment is like looking for a needle in a haystack. Scheduling jobs in DataStage is like setting up alarm clocks for data processing. Just make sure they actually wake up. We'll dive into how scheduling works, using DataStage Director for automation, and managing dependencies in job execution. Plus, we'll talk about common mistakes, because nobody wants their jobs running at 2 a.m. instead of 2 p.m. Stick around and let's get those schedules working like a charm. Errors in DataStage are like unexpected guests. They show up when you least expect them. But don't worry, we'll explore the most common errors, smart ways to handle job failures, and techniques to debug like a pro. Plus, we'll discuss how logging errors can help prevent future issues. So let's roll up our sleeves and tackle errors head-on, because no one likes a stubborn bug. Version control in DataStage is like saving checkpoints in a video game. If something breaks, you can always go back. In this section, we'll talk about why version control matters, tools to keep track of changes, and how to back up your projects effectively. Plus, we'll discuss ways to prevent data loss and ensure smooth operations, because no one wants to start a project from scratch. Being a DataStage admin is like being the captain of a spaceship. You need control, strategy, and a bit of magic. We'll cover optimization tips, how to manage resources wisely, and security considerations to keep your ETL processes safe. Plus, we'll explore automation tricks to make your life easier. Buckle up, because we're about to elevate your administration skills to the next level. DataStage doesn't work in isolation, it needs friends. We'll dive into integrating DataStage with other ETL platforms and BI tools to enable smoother data sharing. You'll learn best practices to ensure interoperability without headaches. Because let's be real, nobody likes integration errors messing with their reports. We've covered a lot, from logging to integrations. Before you go, let's summarize the most important points, discuss what's next, and share valuable learning resources. The journey of mastering DataStage is just beginning, but don't worry, You're equipped with the tools to become an expert. So go forth, troubleshoot fearlessly, and automate like a pro. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.